Welcome to the Esoteric Cat Tarot. Today we are diving into shadow work for the sign of Leo. Are you a Leo? This reading is about discovering what is inside that is ready to be healed. Put your energy into these cards as I shuffle them, and let's see what Spirit tells us you need to work on to heal. What is Leo's shadow work? Spirit, show me what Leo needs to work on to heal from. Show us what Leo needs to know as shadow work. What does Leo need to heal from? Jinn. Jinn is like a genie, a form of a genie. As magic unfolds, a risk as high will arise. Wishes will be granted, but beware the design. Interesting. See that? That jewel over the third eye? As magic unfolds, a risk will arise. Wishes will be granted, but beware the design. Be careful what you wish for. You just might get it. You ever heard that? Yeah. What this speaks to framing. Okay? The way that you frame things when you speak them to yourself. This is something that you need to work on. You need to work on this. So here's just a simple example. Be careful what you wish for because it may happen, right? So today you're stressed out because you have to be the taxi. You're the taxi. You have to take the kids here. You have to take the groceries. You have to take your mom here. You have to all this, and you are like, oh, I'm so tired of being a taxi. I really wish I didn't have a car. And you're just saying that in some little flippant manner, right? You're just like venting. Tomorrow your car breaks down because you put that out in the air. You made that wish. Wish you didn't have a car. The universe says, okay, you wish you don't have a car. Here we go. Be careful what you wish for. Be careful of the way that you frame things. Look at things with gratitude instead of negativity. If you put out negativity, you get negativity back. If you put out positivity, you get positivity back. It's real simple. Look at a baby, a little baby. Look at a baby and smile. They'll smile back at you. Look at a baby and look at it really mean and it'll cry. Put out positivity, you get positivity back. Put out negativity, you get negativity back. This is what you need to work on. You need to work on the way that you frame things. Instead of saying, oh my God, I have to do the dishes. Say, wow, I get to do the dishes because I have a home to live in. Positivity. Instead of, oh my gosh, I've got to take the kids to soccer and then I have to take them to basketball, then I have to take them to cheerleading, da 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 da. Wow, today I get to spend hours with my children doing something they love. Oh, I have to do this homework. This homework is stupid. Why do I have to? I live in a country that allows me to go to school for free. It's an amazing opportunity that I get to do homework. Reframe it. Reframe it. Magic unfolds. A risk. Wishes will be granted, but beware. Careful what you wish for. You need to work on reframing things. Reframe the way that you think. Thoughts are things. And when you put them into words and put them out, the universe will answer you. So be careful what you put them out there. Because you just might get what you're asking for, but you don't really want it. Because the way you asked for it. The universe only understands positivity, not negativity. I do not want to pay bills. What is the universe here? I want to pay bills. Instead, I am ready to receive. See that? I am ready to receive. I'm ready to receive abundance. I'm ready to receive the income that will allow me to pay these bills. You see the reframing of that? That's what you need to work on. You need to work on the way you look at things and the way you speak them. Because you just might get what you wish for. So, that's what you need to think about, Leo. Just might get what you wish for. Make sure what you wish for is what you really want. So that is what Spirit would like you to work on right now. If this resonated with you, drop me a comment, like this video, share this video out to another Leo, send it to another Leo in a message, and subscribe to the channel so that you can know when I post more readings. I drop a long form reading, a collective long form reading every Thursday, and subscribe so you never miss a reading. Love your faces. Kisses.